Hi, welcome to another SMC's how-to video. Here, we're showing how to restore the PF3W series settings back to their factory default values. Let's go. Here we can see that with no flow the color has been modified and doesn't match with the factory default settings. We also see an accumulated flow value. So, to change all switch settings back to their original default values, first press and hold the set button for longer than 3 seconds until F0 or F1 is shown. Then press the down button so that F99 is shown on the screen, which represents the function used for factory reset. Press the set button again. This time the word off starts to flash, meaning we can change the reset function. Press the up or down button so that it changes to on. Here, press and hold the set and down buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds or longer. Press and hold the set button again for a few seconds to go back to the original measurement mode. Now, the display screen color is red and the accumulated value is reading 0. So, you've seen how to reset the PF3W series. You can see more SMC's how-to videos to configure some of the most common switch functions.